Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lesleyanne here. If you are new to my channel, today I have just had my shopping delivery, my grocery shopping delivery. I went with Asda this week, which is quite unusual for me. I sometimes, well most of the time to be honest, don't have a lot of faith in Asda if I'm doing it online. I find that they have so many substitutions, but sometimes I just have to do an online shop. And I thought, just looking at the prices, I would give it another go. And I'm actually very surprised and impressed. So that's snorting. There's my little dog down here. Look, where is he? Down there. There he is. He snorts a lot. And the other two want to go out, so bear with me. I'm just going to go and let them out. But yeah, I was very, very surprised. I'll turn it around and show you what I've got. Okay, I'll just start this side. So I went for 2 bottles of Diet Lemonade, 2 bottles of the Diet Cola. I can remember when these were like, I don't know, 17p, then 20p. They're now 60p a bottle. So that is why I've just got 2 of each to last. Frozen bits and bobs, I have got some whole leaf spinach. I've got some Richmond's 16 skinless pork sausages. And then over here I've got some mini corn on the cobs. 2 packs of the frozen haddock. Now I looked at the price of the fresh haddock, and it was just so expensive, and I just thought to myself, well, I know when it's frozen you can't always sort of see exactly what it's like in the bag, but you know, surely it had to be really good. And I sort of did like the weight comparison, and these were £4 each, and that was like phenomenal really. For you can see there's quite a lot in here and in this one, so yeah, that's a really good deal. Fresh veggies, I got some pak choy, some tender and crunchy trimmed fine beans. Now this was a substitute, it was the only substitute thinking about it. I ordered some Monge 2 and they substituted it with this, which is absolutely fine. Some crunchy baby corn and some celery. Then back here there's 2 packs of paracetamol and then some doggy treats. So I've got these, the crunchy chicken and calcium bones, and the chewy chicken with carrot sticks. All of these are, or both of these I should say, do not have any rawhide. When I do an order for my dog treats, I never tick the substitute box because I don't want them to have any rawhide. Okay, now at the back there are some monkey nuts, okay? There you go, you can see them there. So one of my daughters, Holly, she does a lot of rescue for like wildlife. It could be like recently she's just released a collared dove. It could be anything. It could be rats, it could be hedgehogs, it could be any animal. And she does work with a charity that actually, run this rescue group. And she was telling me the other day, because of course I'm always buying stuff for the birds, but wild bird seed, mealworms, suet balls, all the rest of it. And she said to me, Mum, do you know what, the best thing you can give them is peanuts or monkey nuts. Firstly, they have a lot of fun opening the monkey nuts. You don't shuck them, you just put it out, and they have a lot of fun doing it. But apparently if anyone has put any rat poison down obviously for rats, and they use warfarin to do that, then of course, then the birds might come down and eat the, eat the poisoned rat. And then the bird will be ill as well. Now, Holly was telling me that an antidote to warfarin is, did she say vitamin D? I think she said vitamin D. And there's a lot of vitamin D in peanuts. So the idea is, if you give the wildlife peanuts, should they have been poisoned or eaten any like rodent that's been poisoned, it's possible to reverse it. If it's kind of like early stages, it's very possible to reverse the side effects of the warfarin. So yeah, I thought I'd just share that with you. So that's why I've gone and got the monkey nuts this time. I did get peanuts and put those out, but now I've got these so they can have a bit of fun at the same time. Pears, I don't know if I said pears. Okay, now over here, 2 cans of Pilchards in tomato sauce. Absolutely love this on toast. Some barbecue sauce, some sugar, some lime pickle and mango chutney. I only got the little ones because, in all honesty, if I get the bigger ones, they just don't last until we would next have a curry. So, I'll pop them in the fridge and then I end up having to rebuy it next time because they've been open for too long. I got some balsamic glaze and a tikka masala, a curry sauce, cooking sauce, some couscous. I might do the couscous with the haddock and some like stir fry veg. Got this, so this is obviously their cheaper range, isn't it? The Just Essentials range. So I ordered 3 steaks and they look really, look at that one. They look so good. And I think these were, what were they? I think about £3 each. So that's 170. They all 170 grams, and they look absolutely superb. Look at them. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying those. So I got peppercorn sauce, poppadoms for the curry, and then 2 lots of the sugar-free jelly just to make up for, like little desserts and stuff. I haven't got any yogurts, but I will probably pop out at some stage over the weekend and pick up some yogurts. So I've got the sugar-free orange and the sugar-free strawberry, both of the Hartleys, and they're twin packs. So there's like, 4 complete different bowls of jelly. So yeah, it wasn't a big shop. I can't remember off the top of my head how much this was. I will put it on the screen or in the description box, but it was under 60. I think I've got a feeling it might have been like 57, 58, and that included delivery of £3. It was £3 for delivery for the time slot that I chose to have. So that is my Asda online shopping haul. So, my lovelies, if shopping hauls are your thing and you like to see what other people buy, I do. I get all sorts of inspiration by watching other people's grocery shops, their haul. I think, wow, they're saying, oh, that's really nice. I've never tried that before. Maybe let's give this a go. And also prices. It's, if you can share, there's a bargain out there to be had, because we all know we need a bargain right now, don't we? So if you have enjoyed just having a look to see what I've got in this shopping haul, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. It's absolutely free to subscribe. Dogs are starting now, so that's my cue to go. I'm going to love you and leave you, my lovelies. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.